Saudi Arabia. Not Saudi Arabia, but this is Saudi Bridge. This is called Saudi Arabia Bridge. And the best thing is this. What is the best thing on this bridge? What are the best things? Speak. Huh? You tell, huh? This
I'm upset.
Why are you upset? You're not a man of the match, you are upset.
I was like, see, water.
That's nice.
Yeah.
These are islands you can see at here. I would like to show you, but it will not come in the camera. This is the island. That island is of king. This is belongs to King Salman, and he always come here by helicopter, and some of the ships, special ship, and also some cruise. And in front you can see this is now Bahrain is finished, and now we are going to Saudi Arabia. And I think so. How long Saudi Arabia from here, man? You don't have any idea. Maybe 25 minutes or 20 minutes after. But very nice place. Really very nice place. Coming here second time, but I think this is one of the best. Nice. Sea is finished? Okay. And where these trees are? What do you think? I think so. Maybe this is island, a part of any island.
Yeah,
This is the part of island, and
again you can see.
yes. This all bridge is on sea. And these all people are going to Saudi Arabia, I think. And what is this? What? Yeah? So now I'm feeling fear because we are going by this bridge, and this bridge is too long here, and I think that is stop. There is stop, and after the stop you go to Saudi Arabia, but we can't go there, no? We will not go there. We'll go there, we'll sit there, and we'll have our lunch from there. So he is Mr. Roshan. You can see him. Roshan is from Sri Lanka, and you can see me also. This is Arshad. I am Arshad. And this is sea. And there is island. And that island there is a mosque you can see. No, you can't see. Difficult to capture. It's too far. When this bridge will finish, I am tired. You know how to swim?
I know, but I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know. You know, I don't know.
Yeah.
The too big bridge.
Really upset.
Oh, really? Maybe Mr. Swanee will call us and speak. I said, come on back soon. Come back. Huh? Get back.
Maybe it's not working also.
No, they will be parking. Means I think there is ground. I seen some pictures from there. I see on Facebook. There is some park, and we'll go there. We'll park our car there, and we can enjoy there. There is you can see ships and boats. Yeah. Dangerous bridge, huh? You don't worry. Two bridges leaving. One is going there and one is going there. What do you think? All it is one. Shish, huh? Shish mean oof.
This is
At last we have come there. There in at the end of this is the end of Bahrain Bridge, and now Saudi Arabia Bridge will come after 1 minute, and we will not go there. You can see sea. I don't know how to swim, but last day I was there's a large sea view. I jumped into the water, but this guy escaped me from the water. And there was water like my leg. Yes, we will stop there, na? We will stop there. We'll come back from there. But nice place. You are coming first time here?
First time I came here.
Yeah. Because of me, you have come so many places first time, huh?
Yeah.
You visit because of me. Motamal, you come first time with me, and to many other places you go with
Came
me.
Bahrain also.
Yes.
You can see Bahrain.
It's been my coming to Bahrain is good for you.
Really? Thanks.
It is pleasant for you, huh? If I speak you to jump from here, you can jump from here?
No.
Yeah, no.
Ah.
You can.
Color also black.
Ah, this is Black Sea, na?
Yeah.
This is
Deep.
Black Sea. This is very deep. And once a person fell, you know about from the helicopter, he fell from, I think so, from the helicopter to down the sea. But he escaped after 3 days. I don't know why. How he can escape? How he did this? It's a very difficult job, yeah. And this is because of sun shining. Water is sparkling. This is too dark water, black water here. This water is black. You can see this is Black Sea, and here are 2-3 islands. I don't know where, but the person from the opposition who are doing mess, who are making mess, this government and Saudi Arabia government bring these people here and they throw them here. But I don't know. This is very, very. I think that this is the biggest bad punishment for them. And this is bridge. All right. So this is welcome to Saudi Arabia. So now, will we get back from here? No, we will make. There is park. There is park. You can park the car here, and then we can see it. No, not this way. We will go front, huh?
No, you cannot go back.
Why?
Can
No problem. There is parking, na?
you go and we have to go there again back. You cannot see this place.
We cannot?
Yeah.
All
You
right.
see.
We cannot. All right. All right. And there is no security. It should be here. What do you think? No. I think so. These trucks are going to Saudi Arabia, yeah?
No, this is for parking only.
Oh, okay. This is only for parking. This is parking also. There is parking also. You can park your car there. No, this is not good place. Alright, no problem. Some last we will ask. Yeah, this is parking area. So very difficult first time come here because you know the rules of Bahrain. This is not Pakistan, this is Bahrain, Saudi Arabia. So very strict rules are here. And they don't leave, they punish the people on the spot. So thinking to away from the people. Yeah.